What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve a curl sponge high fade. Don't go anywhere.
No, they don't do it like this no more.
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
You know it's all about the
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
Our children start without a
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
Get on your job and start a
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
You can't ball without a
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
You know it's all about the
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
Our children start without a
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
Get on your job and start a
Legacy, legacy, legacy.
You can't ball without a
I like to loop my towel pretty much all the way around the head here and apply a 15-second hold, making sure that you push that heat into those areas and allow the heat to do the work on that shaving cream. Now that it's all removed, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping my lineup area. He has a very difficult line. As you can see, it slopes, and you'll also see during this whole process me actually trying to make sure that it's all parallel synced up. Now, I sprayed him with some spritz, and I hit him with the blow dryer, and then I set in my guideline. Here's a tip for you guys. I put a little bit of my barber pencil on my glove, and I dab my clippers, which really gives me a guideline trace to see the final lineup prior to being done. And I also do that with my beard as well. I switched here to my Cocos because they're pretty gentle and soft for my client. So, and I feel like I use these primarily. Now here I'm just doing a little cleanup work, just bringing everything together because I don't plan on doing too much more besides enhancing it beyond this point. So I'm just doing my last prep before the enhancements. Now here I'm using the razor and I'm making sure that I stretch the skin so that razor blade glides on the client's skin and cuts the hair without irritation. Yeah, my guy is enjoying himself. Very loyal client and friend of mine. Now, I like to spray off the card, and I will do videos in the future that specifically talks about the enhancement process. And for this particular service, I'm using G14. It's a concealer. I know that he's going to be going somewhere later on tonight, so I'm just using something that's going to look a little bit more natural. All right, let's get to the top and the styling. First, I want to grab my pointed hair pick, and that is called Dragon Spray. It's an aloe spray. I use it to soften up the hair, to pick it out before I start my curl sponge process. That right there, I use the Taraji P. Henson curls for days, and I disperse it evenly on the top of the hair before I style it here with my curl sponge. You want to make sure that you're doing a light rotation without too much pressure. Now I'm prepping it for fibers. I always follow up my dye enhancements with fibers because it gives some more texture, makes it a little bit more natural looking. I also spray it in the sides. He has a natural pattern in his parietal ridge area because he has like little micro whorls or cowlicks. Use my fibers and kind of spray it in a little bit, not excessively, but just enough to bring it all together. I like to layer the holding spray and the fibers just to give it more of a stronger base before I go in with my trimmers and tap that line in detail. Now I'm finishing up on his right side, and of course I use a razor every time I do a cut. That's just a part of the details my clients are accustomed to. Now you'll see me using the sheen spray. It does two things: shine the hair and also dilutes the barber pencil. So now I'm taking off my barber pencil here with a clean towel. And as always, I like to debulk this area and add some detail to the finished look of the cut. Now I'm making sure that I get the hair off of my client right now and getting it ready for you guys to see this final look. Voila, we took him from this to this. He was definitely elated. I got my man right for his event later on that evening. You know, I gotta hit him with some cologne at the end, you know, to look good and feel good, smell good, the total package. Big thanks for watching, folks. And if I skipped anything or if you got questions, hit me in the comment section. And don't miss out on my last tutorial. The link is right here. Until next time, stay sharp. Legacy out.